Let's kick things off with your campaign planner. As the name implies, here we'll plan out your campaign strategy, goals, and messaging that will attract the perfect customer to your product and services. As you can see, there's 7 simple steps, and we'll start here at the very top with step number 1, your campaign goals. We'll define the type of product you're building, the price of the product, the delivery timeline, and of course, the name of your product or program. In steps 2 and 3, we'll define your target avatar, who you'll accept, and who you'll reject for your program. And in steps 4 and 5, we'll define the currencies you'll either increase or decrease for your clients and customers, as well as the ultimate outcome folks can expect when working with you. In step 6, we'll call out the core frustrations people will face when trying to achieve these results on their own. And finally, in step 7, we'll put it all together with your $1 million message. This is your core marketing message that calls out the specific avatar, frustrations, and ultimate outcome they can expect in your program. I encourage you to start up here at the very top with step number 1, campaign goals. Click inside of there, play this video, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step.